Good morning, everyone. Today is the day we are leaving to Aruba. It's currently 5 a.m. I woke up really early just to get ready, but this is what I am wearing for the airport. Our flight isn't until 10 a.m., but we have to check in our bags and everything. So I got my test result yesterday night. Literally came in just in time before I had to submit the ED card. So yeah, we're about to head out now, and we're gonna park our car at the airport. So we gotta head out. So I will see you at the airport. Finally, we're here in Aruba. To Aruba. I'll show you guys the bathroom because it looks so nice. Look at this. We got 2 sinks. I look like a hot mess, but I've been in the plane for like 6 hours, so please don't mind me. Here is what's outside of our hotel. There's like a little lounge area. This is my outfit for lunch. Same outfit I showed in that video. It's really hot, so I might take this off. Really simple. I look like a tourist. Okay guys, so we are gonna go and eat lunch now. Going to the beach now. Okay. We just finished swimming at the beach. The sun already went down, but it was so nice and warm. We just finished eating dinner, and now I am drinking sangria again. So nice. Guys, we see a baby shark. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. So we're gonna go get our COVID test in that building right there. We made it to town. Here is souvenir shopping, and there's a lot of shops behind me. We're currently going to another marketplace. It's so hot. The sun isn't blazing hot because of the wind. It feels semi-okay, but when the sun is hitting right now, it's hot. We've spotted a Zara. Gonna go swimming now. Swimming during sunset. We have an hour, and yeah, I put on a new swimsuit. We just came back from night swimming. On top of this, we're like right above the pool. Morning, we just rented a car and now we're heading into town. You guys, we drove all the way to Baby Beach. We're here at Baby Beach. It's so nice. So we just went around town. I got a little snack at the mini mart and we're about to go back to the hotel, change, and head to our dinner reservation. I'm back home now. Well, back to our hotel room. The sun is setting. This is our last sunset here in Aruba. Heading to dinner. We are leaving to go to the airport at 12 p.m. because our flight is at 4. So I woke up really early today. I woke up at 6 a.m. and I'm just watching the ocean. I'm gonna go out for a last swim in the ocean, and then I'll go back inside, get ready for breakfast, and then that's it. Off to get breakfast. Okay, we're here. We're gonna get our test results back before we fly out and head back to Jersey. Saying goodbye to our room, to our view. This is my airport outfit. I'm all pink. Heading to the airport now. Bye! We're here at the airport. There's a long line to get in.